What is going on, YouTube? What I have here is a 2012 F150 V8 with Coyote engine. It has 123,000 miles on it. About a month ago, I've noticed that the engine is idling around 500 RPM. It would idle around 500 RPM when it is warm. When it's cold, it would idle fine at around where the needle is at right now, about 600 to about 620 RPM. With that, it's idling smoothly. Well, as soon as it hits 500, it would start to shake, and it would shake a little bit, and it would go up to about 600 RPM, and then go back down to about 500 again, and so on and so forth. So what I did is I removed the air filter. Which I've noticed that there's some kind of oily stuff on the filter. I'm using Wix air filter, and that is actually a pretty good filter that's made in USA. I've been using that for the past 5 years, and I've used CRC to clean the mass airflow sensor. And then I noticed that the inside of the air intake, there's some watermarks inside. So I think what happened is that for some reason the water got sucked in. I don't know how. Maybe it's sucked in from here, or I hit puddles or whatever, and maybe it's coming from the front there. I know the air intake tube is facing this way, so maybe it's coming from this side here, because it has that hole there, and I think that's where the airbox tube is facing. And then on the front there, I am missing the mud guard on the front. So I don't know, maybe a combination of a few things. But after I cleaned the mass airflow sensor and replaced the dirty air filter, I've noticed that it's been idling where it was, and it's been idling smoothly. I have the AC on full blast. It's 112 degrees outside, and I can only see the needle fluctuating. Not too severe, not like it was when it is idling at 500 RPM. For good measure, I ordered some BG44K. I've heard about a lot of good things about that, and I'll put in two 20-ounce BG44 to clean the fuel system, and hopefully if I have a dirty injectors that would clean that. I've heard about a lot of reviews online about BG44K that they are pretty good, so I haven't done anything to this truck as far as the fuel system, so I hope that would help out. I'll probably do that every 2 to 3 years, and I hope that would prevent it from getting clogged or anything. I hope this helps or fix your problems, but other than that, thank you for viewing, and I'll see you guys next time.